Primes hair for max repair. Our professional-inspired treatment primes your hair for deeper repair, rebuilds hair bonds, strengthens and protects hair integrity. Visible hair benefits. Scientifically proven. 68% more repair, 3x stronger hair when used as a two-part system in just one use. An unbreakable bond. Use as the first step in a two-part at-home system with No.3 Hair Perfector, sold separately, to strengthen and repair all types of damaged hair. The original bond builder. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Top reviews from the United States. Best ever. This really works. A bit pricey, but results that can't be beat by other products I've tried.